All right, well, welcome to another edition. Power Rankings Week 8, 9. I'm going to make this real quick and easy. I'm going to do top 5 teams, and then I'm going to do top bottom teams. All right, so first off, real quick, number 1 are the Vikings at 8-0. Skip. I don't remember ever Skip being undefeated this far into the season. He's doing a pretty good job. So he's my number 1 team currently right now on top of the Madden Wars with an undefeated record. Let's see how long he can go. Number 2 is going to be Primo at 7-1. He's won both Super Bowls. He would be on number 1 right now, but he's not undefeated. Number 3 would have to be KP with the Eagles at 6-1. He lost to Skip by 3 points. I'm sure they'll meet again in the playoffs. He has a shit roster, if I'm not mistaken. Let's look real quick. Not too bad, 85 overall, but it's not a great roster, and he's still winning, so says something. That would be number 3. Number 4, we're gonna go with Shatter at 6-1, undefeated in his division. We'll most likely take it. Oh, except the Dolphins are right there. Who knows? Maybe they'll give him a run for his money. But Shatter's sitting at number 4. And number 5, I could go Insano, but I'm gonna go with B-More at 6-2. He has a pretty good team. Could go anywhere. There could be a case for the Lions as well, but we'll leave that as is. All right, bottom 5. Grim, number 1 at 8-0-8, has not won a game. Come on, Grim, step up your game. The other one is the Cardinals at 1-7. Dirty is a scrub. Look at this. This great team, and he only has 1 win. I even beat him. Number 3 at my bottom 5 is Bills, where they go 1-6. VD. Yeah, I don't know what's his. He plays his games. That's good. Stay in there. You'll get better. And then to round out the 4 and 5, I could go with where are they at? Oh, Mac. Come on, Mac. 1-6. Horrible. But I'm gonna go with my 2 favorites right here: the Falcons and the Panthers. Both of these guys were gonna have this plan in motion. Oh, I'm sorry. One guy had plan in motion. The other guy didn't. If I recall, Swag was going to take the division, but he gave up Madden completely and is barely at 2-6. Hopefully he stays the course. We shall see. It was a pretty good team. But yeah, those 2 are the round out my top bottom 5. OCA Falcons at 3-5 and Panthers Swag at 2-6. And the only reason why I'm calling those 2 guys out is because they both were excited for this season and not happening. So that's all you have, real quick, easy. Let's see something real quick. Only 4 games played so far, but Giants is on auto for now, so is Redskins. So 2 games. We'll see what happens in the next 8 weeks. See how this shapes out to be. All right.